Hey there, welcome to TechZoid. So here's the deal. A lot of people are paying way too much for phone service, and they don't even realize there are better options out there. One of those options? Metro by T-Mobile. If you've heard the name but aren't sure what it actually is, don't worry. I've got you. Let's break it down in simple terms. What is Metro by T-Mobile? Metro by T-Mobile is a prepaid wireless service, which means you pay for your plan before the month starts. No contracts, no credit checks, and no surprise bills. Just simple, upfront pricing. It actually started out as Metro PCS, but in 2018, it got a makeover after teaming up with T-Mobile. Along with the new name, it got access to T-Mobile's massive network, which is a big deal. How Metro by T-Mobile works. Metro uses the same network as T-Mobile, so you're getting solid 5G and 4G coverage all over the country, but without paying T-Mobile prices. You choose a plan, pay ahead, and you're good to go. Super straightforward. Plans start at around $30 a month, and depending on which one you pick, you can get unlimited data, mobile hotspot, Google One cloud storage, and even Amazon Prime on some of the higher-end plans. Pretty solid for a prepaid service, right? Who is it for? Metro is perfect if you want to cut your phone bill without cutting your service. It's great for students on a budget, families who want to save on multiple lines, anyone who's tired of being stuck in a contract, or people who want T-Mobile coverage without the high price tag. You can bring your own phone or get one through Metro. They've got some good deals, and yeah, sometimes even free phones when you switch. To check more details and pricing, check out our full post, link in the description. Final thoughts. So, if you're looking for reliable phone service that's affordable, flexible, and easy to set up, Metro by T-Mobile might be exactly what you need. It gives you the power of a big network without the big carrier headaches. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech insights. Thanks for watching TechZoid, and we'll see you in the next video.